What food should you cut out if you have cancer?
Eliminating all fruit, all sugars.
Fruit? Sugar? Let's find out. So, cancer's favourite food, what is it? I know my favourite food is durian, but it's not the case with cancer. And we're going to find out why. So, this is a cancer cell, not a very pretty thing. And yes, it does uptake glucose. And you find glucose in fruit and sugar. But the reason that glucose is powering the cancer cell is because glucose powers all cells in the body, and that this is your cell mutated. So it's also going to uptake glucose, but it's a very inefficient process. We had a look at the bucket example representation last time, as the cancer cell is actually very inefficient and it doesn't use all the glucose that it uptakes. It actually wastes or dumps a lot as lactate waste. So it's not, the glucose is not actually the cancer cell's favorite food. But I'll tell you what is the cancer cell's favorite food, and we cannot cut this out. We cannot cut the glucose out because, again, we're going to be cutting out the defense mechanism of the body, because the immune system is also powered by glucose. Okay, so we can't cut it out like that, and it doesn't work anyway, because we're going to learn about the fuel which most major cancers are fueled by, the cancer cell absolutely loves, and that is glutamine. Glutamine is a non-essential amino acid that the body creates, and it does not need to intake it, but people are intaking a lot of glutamine. Cancer cells love glutamine. It's actually 10 times more efficient. So basically, the cancer cells, they love it 10 times more than glucose. Major cancers that are running on glutamine more than glucose are common ones: brain, breast, cervical, pancreatic, lung, colorectal. These major cancers use more glutamine. They're glutamine addicts. That is their jam. And what is glutamine found in large quantities? What food? So let's take a look. Foods highest: meat, fish, eggs, dairy. These foods are fueling the cancer aggressively because of that glutamine, that non-essential amino acid. Humans are ingesting way too much of it, and it's like throwing fuel on a fire. Doesn't it just make logical sense to go on a low glutamine diet?